What's good, Loc'd fam? Welcome back. Right now, I want to share with you something that was given to me. Actually, I'm not really going to share it. I'm just going to, show you what I got. I don't even know what I got, but I got something, to show. Yeah. They sent it to me in a box with emojis all over it. So, I want to just, do an unboxing real quick. Happy holidays, you feel me? It came from Jamaican Mango Lime. Shout out to them. These guys are cool. I haven't had any of those products for a while. I just recently bought something else. Actually, Babe bought it. She bought my washing machine is fucking stupid. It makes noise. Anyway, she bought the locking cream, whatever. I forgot the name of it, but here it is. She bought that, and I'm going to use it after I wash my hair. I took a shower, put it up a bun. So I got this messy bun thing going on. But I'm going to wash my hair and I'm going to get right. I'm going to do a product review on those products, the shampoo and the conditioner. But I got some other stuff here I'm going to also do some reviews on. I don't even know what it is yet, but we are about to. I'm going to go ahead and show you. Look, it came in this emoji box, which is pretty funky. I didn't realize it was going to come in an emoji box, but it's from Jamaican Mango Lime. I'm not bullshitting. I mean, I'm not sure why they got these boxes. They're not even official emojis, but I'm not here to judge. I'm here to open up the box and appreciate the love that was given to me. So without further ado, before my washing machine interrupt me again, let's get it.
Perfect. 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 Perfect.